Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online classes we offer. This week in our online classes we've been talking about teaching and learning and education, and it's been quite shocking, if not entirely surprising, to see how many students have memories of truly terrifying and quite terrible sounding teachers who they were subjected to at high school. I say not entirely surprising because I was also on the receiving end of a couple of terrible teachers during my high school, my secondary school years. Last night, one of my students was recounting how when she was about 13 or 14, she had a teacher who, at the slightest provocation, would completely flip out and start screaming and shouting at the kids, hurling things around the room and telling everybody off. If you say that somebody flips or they flip out, basically they become very, very angry. They completely lose it. They lose their temper. They start screaming and shouting. They start yelling. Maybe they start throwing or hurling things around. They might turn violent. Maybe some of you have seen this in action in the past. For example, I can remember when I was about 17 and I racked up a huge phone bill. When my dad got hold of the phone bill, he completely flipped out and started screaming at me that I would have to work out a way of paying him back for the expense that I'd incurred. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear examples of times people you know have flipped or flipped out.